For local news for Thursday the 16th of November. Labour List MP for Wairarapa, Kieran McAnulty, is set to deliver his maiden speech to Parliament today. The speech will take place at around 5:45 this evening. New Zealand's largest dairy producer pleads to reduce its net greenhouse gas emissions by 30% by 2030, with a long-term aim to achieve net zero emissions by 2050. Greenpeace campaigner Amanda Larson says it's positive to see Fonterra finally acknowledging the significant contribution to climate change. Dairying makes up about 3% of the nation's herd in Wairarapa. Due to strike action, there's no trains running today, no alternative transport. On a regular weekday in Wellington, over 30,000 passenger journeys are made by train. Traffic is expected to be rather heavy over the Rumataka Hill, with motorists asked to exercise patience and allow plenty of time for travel. Roadworks on the hill will also add to delays. And in sport and Umpires Cup action this weekend, Lansdowne may find it tough up against Rathkeale, while Greytown play Red Star in what should be a good clash.